Hey guys, Marina Lantos here with a tutorial for a pixie. This is one of my favorite ways to achieve a pixie haircut. I section off from the apex to the top of the parietal, section that out of the way. First section is going to be parallel to the natural hairline, so it's going to be a slightly diagonal section, and I'm going to establish the length that's going to be slightly longer on the top and getting closer towards the hairline on the bottom. With each section, I'm bringing hair directly from where it grows, which means the length in the front and the length in the back is going to be the same. And I'm following the guide that I have underneath, so the previous guide, and you can tell that you could see the guide right through my section, so the section is nice and thin. Now the next section is going to be from the top of the ear, and I'm using the guide underneath, so the shortest piece that I already created in zone 1, and I'm gradually lifting the hair, so I'm creating more length on the top of the head, but the length is only getting gradually longer. Now the last section is going to be using the longest piece from zone 2, and I'm keeping my fingers here just a little tiny bit farther away from the head, creating slightly longer length towards the front. Again, your finger angle would only matter or will matter depending on the length that you want to achieve. So the farther you move your fingers away from the head, the longer the length that you're going to preserve. The same applies for the zone 1 and 2. With each section on the last zone, I'm going to bring hair into the previous section so the sides get a little bit longer. Hope you enjoyed.